How to use a hammer in Terraria. So first is select your hammer in your inventory. So for me, I have it in my hotbar. And the hammer that I have is the Forceful Nebula Ham Axe, or basically just the Nebula Ham Axe. And now click directly on any block you want to modify. So what it does is it half blocks or slopes it instead of leaving it as a plain full square, letting you create smooth ramps, sloped roofs, and rounded architectural shapes throughout your build. So as you can see right here, it flattens it out just like that. I can also change it like that or any other shape that I want, as you can see. And just a quick tip, make sure to turn off your smart cursor specifically while doing detailed, precise hammer work like this. You could also use it on platforms. As you can see, it changes the angles of the platform just like that. And with smart cursor left on, the game sometimes auto-targets the wrong nearby block entirely, but turning it off gives you full precise manual control over exactly which tile you're actively shaping. And if you don't know how to turn off or on the smart lock or the smart control, just basically press the control button on your keyboard. It is beside the Windows key on the bottom left of your keyboard. And do note that you could also use hammers for smashing demon altars and the orbs right here, just like that. And that is how you basically use a hammer in Terraria.